We are back here on Carolina Women and Bruce with Bruce. Who is our always forever best co-host
Favorite
in the whole world. I mean, that's just the way it is.
That's because I pay the bills.
Whatever.
And pours the drinks.
And pours the drinks, yes.
Pours the
You're
drinks,
so
right.
popular. You know what? You just said it. He's right.
He's right. You were right. Do you hear that a lot?
No, I never hear it from Karen.
I was going to say, Karen's not here to weigh in on that, but
Right, that's right. She
And
never
what
says
you were
I'm
right about is every month you send out kind of updates on not just the market, but just sort of the state of the economy in general.
Yeah,
And they're really amazing. They're a lot of fun. And what's great is you don't have to read the whole thing. You just read what you highlight, and you sound brilliant. But you were right.
Yeah, and I'm sorry that our guest couldn't be here today because I really feel that the transition for getting older, all right, which you ladies are a long ways away from, but the deal is that when you retire, you know, you're having so much fun that you may be not concentrating on your investments. And I was coming back from Charlotte, and I met a delightful single mother, okay, who is really a neophyte when it comes to investing. All right, and she's very successful. Kathy couldn't be here today, she's got COVID. But the problem is, how do we educate ladies
Neophytes.
into investing? It's actually pretty simple. Write down on a piece of paper what you want.
What does that even mean, though?
Yeah,
Like,
what do you
I
want? If I came to you and said, okay, what would put a smile on your face?
Probably not having to worry about every penny, being able to buy my kids cool birthday presents or outfits, being able to go visit them. How about you?
well, financial freedom, if
And
I
what
were
would
to
that
be
mean?
more, broad. But are you talking about writing down goals?
Yeah, the strategies are based on goals.
Okay.
So what is your goal? A client came to me in Virginia, and I said, what do you want with your money? She says, I want $30,000 a month.
Oh, so you're talking specifics.
Yeah,
Okay.
but see, not specifics, it's unique to you.
Right. I need to know basically how much it costs for me to live.
Well, wealthy people don't usually look at performance.
Okay.
They're looking at safety, flexibility,
Okay.
somebody to talk to, explain. They're looking for communication. Altogether today, we've lost that because of the compartmentalizing of investments. Back when I started, you had a relationship with the clients.
Oh my gosh.
Today, the clients don't have a relationship with their advisors as much as they should. The relationship is with the firm, or the firm wants them to think that they have a relationship.
See, which is really funny because it's the opposite. I don't want to have to be the professional in what my investments are. I want to be able to call you and say, help, what do I do? What's going well? What's not going well? What can
Right.
I do?
Right.
I'm shifting, I'm still trying to work, but whatever it is.
Well, most advisors, correctly so, are saying stay the ship, which is built on your objectives.
Okay.
Okay. So consequently, if you're interested in income, all right,
Okay.
as an example, I am.
Yes.
I believe in long-term growth and current income. So when the account goes down $75,000, I'm not worried about it.
Right,
Because
'cause you're
what's my
earning.
objective? My objective is the income.
Got it.
And values of assets go up and down every single day. Houses, cars,
it.
but we hear about securities on the television so often. When it's really investing is quite simple.
So we shouldn't be taking our cues from the media.
Oh no,
No, but I think
that's the worst. That is the worst thing
Right.
to do.
Not that we don't love our media, and what we talk about is always accurate, just saying.
That's true. That's true.
But what's funny is I think knowing what you just said about knowing that I'm going to continue to have an income may shift what my objectives are.
Right.
It's not as though I'm done with my earning potential.
No, it has to do with what your goals are, both short-term and long-term, and then you build a portfolio around that.
Does it seem like many people, like I have no desire, even though I'm 69, I have no real desire of retiring, maybe slowing down a little bit, but I don't
Yeah.
want to retire.
You'll never.
No.
I mean, will you?
Probably not. Not with
No.
5 kids.
Not with
Hey,
5
your
kids.
daughter's
Exactly.
almost gone from school.
True, true,
Hey, you're
true.
going to be dangerous.
There you go. All I know is this: whenever Carolina women and Bruce are together,
I love it because Bruce is, and you're not old, but you're old school. And I love that you're into relationships and communicating. I think that's really what
Yeah.
sets you apart.
We've lost that in so many things.
but not with you.
Not
Thank you
with-
for joining us
Yes.
here
It's a
on
pleasure.
Carolina Women and Bruce.